In the triangle or parallelogram, what we did, we took, if we have the two vectors like this, or if we have the two vectors in the same order, then the resultant of these two vectors will be taken as the third side of the triangle taken in the opposite order. And what was the parallelogram law? If the two vectors are taken as the two sides of the parallelogram, then the resultant is the diagonal passing from the same point. Now in this we had two vectors and we come to one vector, that was the resultant. We had two vectors, this and this was the resultant, and in this we had two vectors and this was the resultant. That means two resolved into one, two vectors resolved into one resultant. Now we are going to do opposite of this. If you have a one vector, you want to see the effect of this vector in x-axis and y-axis. You have had two vectors, you resolved into a one vector, that was a resultant, which we did in the triangle law and parallelogram law. Now we are going to reverse this process. You have a one vector and you are going to resolve it into two components along x-axis and y-axis. Means पहले जो एक vector, whatever work was being done by the single vector, that will be done by the two vectors in x-axis and y-axis. Now suppose you have a vector a vector making an angle theta with the x-axis. Now what is the work done, what is the action being done by this vector along x-axis and y-axis? That means you are going to see the component of this vector along x-axis and y-axis. This is a cos theta and this is a sin theta. Why you have taken it as a cos theta and sin theta? See here, complete this triangle. This is perpendicular and this is base and this is hypotenuse. In the triangle, this triangle, see, what is base upon hypotenuse? Cos theta. What is base? You want to find out this base. Suppose you want to find out OX. This is OX. What is OX? H cos theta. What is H? H is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? A. So this is A cos theta. So what is OX? OX is A cos theta. That means the component of vector A along the x-axis is A cos theta. Now if you will take this direction, that is y-axis, complete this triangle. Do one thing, this is theta, this is also theta. Why? This is alternate angle. Take out sin theta. What is the value of sin theta? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin theta. You want to find out perpendicular, that is h sin theta. See this triangle, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? A. So this is A sin theta. And what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is OY. So what is the component? OY is A sin theta. That means if I will take a vector, A vector, then the two components of these two vectors is theta. Suppose it is making an angle theta with the x-axis, then this is A cos theta and this is A sin theta. So what these components will do, it will resolve the components into the two vectors. That means here the work of this vector will be split in the x-axis and y-axis. Now suppose you have a vector A vector making an angle theta with this, then this will be, see, the axis which is making the angle theta, that is the cos, that component will be cos. So here it is making an angle theta, so this is A cos theta and this is A sin theta. Thank you.